Sir, network address is 192.168.2.0/27.
If you stop working and then listen to me, to calculate this, we should not take more than 1 minute time. Okay, that is a targeted time slot for this kind of question. Okay. If you are very strong with binary number systems and if you know little tricks, it will be easy to calculate actually. I'll just quickly tell. When I say /27, what are the few points you have to quickly recollect is /27 means 5 bits I am leaving for 5 bits I am leaving for host. Okay, how many bits I am leaving for host? 5 bits for host. Okay, 5 bits are there for host. When I say 5 bits for host, what is how many computers are possible in one? I'm straight away trying to give you the easiest way, the direct calculation. Ideally speaking, we are supposed to write the network address and then we are supposed to write it. Okay. Anyway, let me write in that way first, then I'll show you the easiest way. That will be easy for you. Let me write the subnet mask first, 255 dot. I'll write here subnet mask. What is the subnet mask here? 255.255 dot. The last token we have to calculate. It is 3 bits should be 1, right? 3 bits should be 1. When I say 3 bits, it is 1 bit is 128, 2 bit is 192, 3 bit is 224. So the subnet mask is 224. Okay. So the network address is I have to perform AND operation for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 10's binary equivalent. Okay, 4 zeros and 1 0 1 0. 224's binary equivalent is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 2 4 6 8. Okay. When you perform AND operation for this, it will be all 8 bit will become 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll put a hash symbol here in order not to change it into number. So when I out of this the 5 bits, this many bits are there for this many bits are for host, right? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bits are for host. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 bits are there for host. Okay. Now So what one of you have answered is correct. So the network address is 192.168.2.0. And what would be the broadcast address? The network bit I cannot change. The remaining 5 bits I have to put as 1. Okay, 2, 4, 5. So what is this value equal to?
31.
It is equal to 31. So 192.168.2.31 is the broadcast address for this. What is the next network address then? Next network address. It is 192.168.2.32. Got it? So what is the usable IPs in this? What are the usable IPs where this network address belongs to, or the IP address belongs to? It is 2.1 to 2.30. Okay. 2.1 to 2.30 is the usable IPs. Okay. So these are the possible questions you can be asked by giving such an IP address. Okay. What is the subnet mask? What is the network address of the given IP? What is the broadcast address of the given IP and subnet mask combination? What are the usable IPs? What is the next network address? And maybe it can be asked in another way also. See, for the given IP address, you are supposed to assign the first IP address to the default gateway. What IP address you will be assigning? Is this clear to all of you? Is this clear to all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'll give you one more question. You should not take more than 2 minutes for this, okay? Can you calculate this? I'll wait for 2 minutes. Don't take more than 2 minutes. The ideal time to complete this is 1 minute.
Sir.
Let's wait for everybody some more time, Leela.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, Priyadarshan. Okay, I hope all of you have arrived with an answer. I'm not asking you individually, but just check whether the answers are correct or not. The subnet mask in this case is, how many bits we are given for host here is, you have 2 raised to, host bits are just 3, right? 3 bits are there for host. So subnet mask is supposed to be 255.255.248, right? 248. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Network address is supposed to be 193.10.10.8. Broadcast address is 193. Sorry, supposed to be 15. Okay. Usable IPs will range from 9 to 14, the last octant. 10.9 to 10.14. Next network address is 10.16. Okay. When you are writing for exam, don't write like this. Okay. If I do shortcut, you will further shortcut it and write. So let me write full. So 193.10.10.16. Is this clear, guys? Have you all understood this, how we are calculating?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Here it was 2 raised to 5, right? It's equal to 32. Here it is equal to 8. So number of computers you can give is 8 minus 2 you have to say. Okay, total number of IPs are 8. So now you can actually calculate it easily. You need not have to sit and write all these calculations basically. Okay, the subnet mask you will have to write. Now how I calculated this easily was, all of you are ready listening to me? I'm telling a top secret. Okay. So how do I calculate this? I calculate what is this number. This is my magical number 8. Okay. So the first network address I just simply write 10.0. Second one I write 10.8. third one I write 10.16, fourth one I write 10.24. I just keep on writing. Okay, so I just write like this 10.0, then I write 10.8, then I write 10.16. Like this I keep on writing. Okay, then next one of course 10.24. So suppose if the IP address is given like this 192. Say 10.10.20, and you are asking me to find the network address and IP address, usable IP address, etc. You are asking me to find. Now what I'll simply do is I just see in this table which is the lowest number just below to this. So that is 10.16. So 10.16/29 is my network address. Okay. So 17 to 23, 16 to 23 belongs to this group, correct? 16 to 23 belongs to this group, and all of you know 16 is the first address, that is a network address. 23 is the last one, which is the broadcast address, and in between 17 to 22 belongs to usable IPs. Okay, so by just having this table in my mind, I can write straight away the IPs. What all you have here, all of them I can write just in a fraction of in few seconds or few minutes. Is this clear, guys? Have you understood the trick what I tried to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hope you are comfortable with this example now. Let me give one more example. Okay, so here I have given an IP address. Now I am moving to class B IP address. Okay, class B IP address, all of you keep in mind, it ranges from what is the range of class B IP address? It's written here, class B 128 to 191. Out of this, the number starting from 172.16 up to 172.32 are belonging to private IP address. All of you know what is private IP address and what is its significance, right? So now tell me how many subnetworks are possible in this? How many subnetworks are possible? How many subnetworks are possible? Okay, means what are the networks are possible in this? Before going to that, I'll just brief it. In our first example, when I said /27, we have subnetted 3 bits. Okay, host side we have given 5 bits, and network side, subnetwork side, we have given 3 bits. By using 3 bits, we can have 8 combinations: 000, 001, 00, 010, 011. Likewise, I can have 8 combinations. Okay. So 8 subnetworks are possible. So what are their subnetworks actually? The first network I said .0, second one I said 32, third one I said 64, fourth one I said 196. Likewise, it will keep on going. Okay. So similarly, in this case, I said .8, .0, .8, .16, .24, .32. It will keep on going like that. .40. It will keep going until it reaches 256. No, it will not reach 256. It will reach, the last one will be 248. Okay. So anyway, all those I am quickly saying by seeing this number, the 8. It will be just addition of 8. The last one, how did I calculate? Is 256 minus 8. So that's how I said 248. So all this you can do in mind calculation actually. Okay, the second last will be 240. Like that it will grow. Now here, instead of a part octant, I am subnetting the entire octant itself. And in class B by default it is supposed to be /16. Now it is /24. That means this entire bit, entire octant I am subnetting. In that case, what would be the subnetworks? Can I call somebody and ask you? I will call somebody. Sachin Verma. Sachin Verma. Sachin is absent. So if you are not present in the class, don't stay online, okay? Just log in, and vanishing is not a good idea here. Charita. Charita. Who all are present in the meeting, can you put your hand symbol? Who all are present in the meeting, please put hand symbol.
Yes.
Don't remove your hand symbol. Only 44 are present in the meeting.
Sir.
Sahana, I need a small favor.
Yes, sir.
I have made you as presenter. Can you please remove participants who don't have put hand symbol?
Okay, sir.
Rishika?
Yes, sir.
You are also a presenter. You please start removing people who
Yes.
don't have hand symbol.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Renuk, Atul, you are also presenter. Please remove people who don't have hand symbol.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, like previously you asked me like Sachin Verma, you told I heard and I also answered at that time. Now I also am answering. I don't know. Not audible. I was answering like every time when you were telling like, are you there in the meeting or not?
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Neeli Gyanaharsha. Neeli Gyanaharsha. Sai Charan. Sai Charan.
Sir, sorry, sir. I'm Kaushik, sir. Sir, before I was the internet issues.
Karan Sai Charan. Is it present? Harshvardhan Reddy, are you present?
Yes, sir.
Sir, someone is removing me continuously, sir, so I couldn't answer you.
Okay. Okay, when we are asking for some actions, you have to act quickly, okay? It looks like you people, many of you have just joined and left the desk. Okay, now my question to Kaushik. My question to Kaushik. Are you present, Kaushik? Not there. Harshavardhan Reddy, are you present? Harshavardhan Reddy, are you present?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you answer for this question?
Sir,
Harshavardhan, can you answer for this question? What are the subnetworks possible? What are the subnetworks available in this?
sir, I'm Kaushik, sir.
Now I'm asking Harshavardhan Reddy. Harshavardhan, you can unmute and tell.
Sir.
Harshavardhan Reddy, can you answer?
No, sir.
Why? What happened? Okay. So here, what is the default subnet mask available? What is the default subnet mask for a class B? For a class B, what is the default subnet mask? It is 255.255.0.0. Yeah. And what is the subnet mask for /24?
255.255.0.
Okay. In this case, it is subnet mask. Subnet mask if it is /24. Okay. It is 255.255.255.0. So you are essentially subnetting the third octant here. The third octant completely you are subnetting. Okay. So the network address will change from 172.16.0.0 to 172.16.256.0. Okay. So you will have 256 subnetworks are possible here. Are you understanding my logic, what I am writing? If not clear, please feel free to ask. Okay, this you have to understand and go. It is not possible to by heart. You have to understand. That's why we are going very slowly with this topic. Okay, and in each network you can have 254 computers, because 8 bits you are given for host part. So you can have total 254 IP addresses for host in each network. In 250 you have 256 subnetworks, and in each subnetwork you have 254 computers possible. 8 bits are there for host, right? So 2 raised to 8 minus 2. Okay, for subnetwork you don't have this minus 2 logic. Okay, it is all possible. All zeros and all ones are possible for network address, not for host address. But
Excuse me, sir. Shouldn't it be .255.0 instead of .256.0?
it is 255.0. You are right. 256 is not possible. It is 255. Because that is the highest number you can have in 8-bit. Who was that? Who noted down that mistake?
Maulika, sir.
Good. Thanks, Maulika. Good observation. It is supposed to be 255.
Thank you, sir.
Have you all noted down this? So what is the first network address? First network address. First network. First network is 172.16.0.0. Okay. What is the first IP? First IP possible. 192.1. Sorry, I'm always familiar with 192. 172.16.1.0. What is the last IP in this?
One 172.16.255.0.
16.0.34. That's the last IP. For this first network, okay? You are supposed to write /24 also, otherwise people will think that it is /16. First IP, you cannot change the network address, network part. So the next network is, the second one is 172.16.1.0/24. This is the second one. What is the first IP in the second one? 172.16.1.1. What is the last IP? 172.16.1.254. The third IP, 172.16.2.0/24. 172.16.2.1. The last one is 2.254, and this will keep on going, right? This will keep on going. What will be the last one? 172.16.255.0/. 172. 172.16.254.1. The last one is 172.16.255.254. This is supposed to be 255. Okay. So when you have the network address, when you have the broadcast address, you can easily say, right? The last octet has to be 255 in all these cases. The host bits has to be 1. That is a basic rule. Okay. So if you're not able to calculate quickly in mind, all of you know the basic how it is calculated by using binary. So I want all of you to practice this thoroughly. You will have lot of practice questions in internet. So based on this portion, you will have some 8 marks question for the exams. Okay, maybe for T1 and final exam, you will have one question each. So I'll take one more session on this. In that session, we'll practice how you can design an IP address for a company. That's what we are going to see next. Already I've discussed. I have to just emphasize your knowledge. That's all. So please do practice these topics. Subnetting. Please do browse internet for a lot of supporting documents. You will get plenty of documents of this category. So thank you all, and wish you a nice day ahead.